Greetings, distinguished guests. Welcome to 0618.io, your ultimate resource for mastering trading. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, our platform provides valuable insights and strategies to improve your trading success. Kindly subscribe and activate notifications to stay informed. In this video, I will show you Heikin Ashi and Heikin Ashi trading strategies. If you are interested in trading content, you can subscribe to my channel. Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi is a Japanese term that means average bar. It is a type of candlestick chart that tends to indicate trends and reversals more clearly. Therefore, Heikin Ashi can be useful for traders, especially during high volatility. To use Heikin Ashi, first go to the types of candlestick charts and choose Heikin Ashi. It can be applied to any time frame. Now let's look at the chart. As we can see, this is a Heikin Ashi candlestick chart. An important note, the Heikin Ashi chart doesn't show the real price because its main purpose is to filter out market noise. But what does filtering out market noise mean? If you compare a traditional chart and a Heikin Ashi chart, we can easily understand what that means. When we look at a traditional candlestick chart, we can see some red candles during an upward trend. These red candles can confuse traders and negatively affect their trading decisions. But if you look at the Heikin Ashi chart, we can see that there are only green candles during the upward trend because Heikin Ashi charts tend to give a clearer perspective on trend direction. In this example, we learned how the Heikin Ashi chart filters out market noise. But don't be surprised if you see a different candle color during a trend. How to identify trends and trend reversals? To determine the trend direction, traders need to look at the color of the candles because they can give us signals about the trend. For instance, if we see a series of green candles, we can say that there's an upward trend. To identify a strong upward trend, traders need to look for big green candles with no lower shadows. Now, let's see how we can identify downward trends. If we see a series of red candles, we can say that there's a downward trend. To identify a strong downward trend, traders need to look for big red candles with no upper shadows. Heikin Ashi candlesticks can also give signals about trend reversals or pauses. If we see a series of small candles with both upper and lower shadows, we can say that the current trend may end soon, indicating a potential change in trend direction. However, traders have to be careful because in some conditions, it may indicate a trend pause. Therefore, traders need additional confirmations to confirm a trend change. Heikin Ashi plus EMA strategy. Now, I will show you Heikin Ashi trading strategies. In the first strategy, I will use the 20 EMA and 50 EMA. As most of you know, the 20 and 50 EMA are generally used to identify short and medium-term trends. Let's start with a buy signal. To look for a buy signal, traders need to follow some bullish confirmations. First, the 20 EMA has to cross above the 50 EMA, which can signal that a new upward trend may start. Second, the price has to make a pullback to the 20 EMA because moving average lines can act as dynamic support or resistance. For the last confirmation, traders need to wait for two big green candles with no lower shadows and then use this signal as an entry point. Using a stop loss is very important because even if a trader has a good strategy, it may not work every time. Now, let's look at a sell signal. To look for a sell signal, traders need to follow some bearish confirmations. First, the 20 EMA has to cross below the 50 EMA, which can signal that a new downward trend may start. Second, the price has to retest the 20 EMA because, as mentioned before, moving average lines can act as dynamic support or resistance. For the last confirmation, traders need to wait for two big red candles with no upper shadows and then use this signal as an exit point. Heikin Ashi plus MACD strategy. Now, I will show you the combination of Heikin Ashi and MACD. But first, let's have a quick look at the MACD indicator. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a momentum indicator that gives signals about the direction and strength of trends. The indicator can be used in its default settings. As you can see, this is the MACD line, this is the signal line, and this is the histogram. The histogram can give signals about the strength of momentum. Now let's look at how the MACD indicator works. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it is considered a bearish signal. On the other hand, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it is considered a bullish signal. But unfortunately, the MACD indicator can generate false signals. Therefore, traders need to combine it with price action strategies or other indicators. Let's start with a buy signal. As you can see, there's a downward trend here. To predict possible trend reversals, traders need to follow some criteria. First, traders need to look for small candles with upper and lower shadows because this can signal a trend reversal or pause. Second, the MACD line has to cross above the signal line, as this is considered a bullish signal. Third, the histogram has to turn green. For the last confirmation, traders need to wait for two big green candles with no lower shadows and then use this signal as an entry point. Now, let's look at a sell signal. As you can see, there's an upward trend here. To look for a sell signal, traders need to follow some bearish confirmations. First, traders need to look for small candles with upper and lower shadows because, as mentioned before, this can signal a trend reversal or pause. Second, the MACD line has to cross below the signal line, as this is considered a bearish signal. Third, the histogram has to turn red. For the last confirmation, traders need to wait for two big red candles with no upper shadows and then use this signal as an exit point. In this video, I showed you Heikin Ashi and Heikin Ashi trading strategies. If you liked the video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.